A scooter lock. As it's key driven, we're able to place around the pole with the loop, nice and large, and slide through and lock around the stem of the scooter with the key and fully lock. The scooter is locked with enough cable for movement. To free the scooter, simply place the key in, unlock, and remove. The scooter for certain wheels will fit around and lock. This scooter lock is around the poles for this particular scooter. The scooter lock is anti-scratch, allows a lock around the bicycle in any particular way, and different types of scooters were able to slip around to the wheel area, set up, and lock, and simply release by inserting the key and unlocking. Not just for scooters, but for bicycles that you need to lock up in this particular way. For further information about the scooter, motorcycle, and bicycle lock, check online for further details about your scooter lock. And thank you for viewing.